Vaccine module. Healthcare providers recommend vaccines and immunization procedures to protect a patient against infections or diseases and to stimulate their body's own immune system to safeguard them from subsequent infections. The vaccine details for the patient can be recorded here. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the vaccine module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Vaccine. Click on the Add icon to enter vaccine information. Here we have a couple of options: Take Date and Reminder Date. This taken date will enable the doctor to specify on which particular date the particular vaccination has been taken, and the reminder date enables the doctor to specify the particular date the vaccination has to be taken. Let's select Reminder Date from the drop-down. Once selected, a future date can be selected from the calendar. Here the user can type in a few characters and search the codes from the drop-down. The user can also enter details manually. Vaccine is supported by CVX, which is Universal Recognized Database for medical codes. The user can add the vaccine name or a description of the code selected here. Click on the More option to add or remove fields for more information to be recorded as required. The status field can be used to record the status of the vaccine. If the doctor feels that this particular vaccine could be used on a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. Click on the Save button to save details. Click on the favorite icon here to view the favorite vaccine stored and labels created. Click on the ellipse icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Click on the Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of charting time. Before completing the health record, if the user wants to delete or edit any of the information already added, click on the already saved information and click on the trash icon to delete the details. To edit details, click on the already saved information. Make the required changes. You can also remove the fields by double-clicking on the close icon. Empty fields can be removed by a single click on the close icon. You can navigate to a new health record and the data saved with the reminder date will be visible in the new EHR and in all future health records for this patient until updated with the taken date. To update details, click on the already saved details and update the reminder date as taken date. The taken date can be updated with the current date or previous date, but future date cannot be updated. Click on Save to update the details. For demo purposes, let's navigate to another health record. Click on the ellipsis icon and you can view the past taken vaccine by clicking on the ellipsis icon and selecting the past taken vaccine option from the drop-down. You can view the details of all the vaccines taken so far. Clicking on Add icon will also enable you to easily import the information into the module.